Hey guys, welcome back to Makeup by Nuri. So today I'll be showing you guys how I did this very easy, simple, natural makeup look using only drugstore products. So it was very inexpensive as well. So please like, share, subscribe, and also leave comments down below letting me know how you like this video and also leaving me suggestions of other looks that you would like to see me do. So let's get started with the video. So first I'm going to go ahead and start with my concealer. So I'm just creating like a inwards triangle, I would say, underneath my eye area with this concealer. The concealer that I'm using is the color Toffee by the brand Nika K. I think that's how you pronounce it, Nika K. But yes, I'm going to apply a couple more lines around my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it in with a damp beauty blender. Make sure that this beauty blender is damp. You don't want it to be dry. It's going to help your application. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and just do that. Okay, so next I'm coming in with my foundation. The foundation I use is Maybelline Fit Me in the color 355 Coconut. So I'm just going to apply this all over my entire face. Make sure that you get the top of your eyelids and also blend it down on your neck. This is going to be critical to your finished look and making sure that your look is natural. Okay, so next to give me a much more natural look, I'm going to actually pat in my foundation with my beauty blender, and this is going to take off any excess oil or any of that shine that liquid foundation tends to leave. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and start a little bit of my highlighting. What I use for my highlighting is actually a brightener stick from Maybelline, and it's actually pretty good. I actually like it a lot. It just gives you just enough highlight, and it doesn't look too dramatic. It just looks like it's where the sun hits your face. So I actually apply triangles underneath my eyes, and I do 2 half crescents on my forehead and on my chin, and I will go ahead and blend this in with a beauty blender. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and start my contouring. I don't do too much of this, just a little bit. The palette that I use is this contour palette that I got on Wish for about $1.25. It was very inexpensive. So I'm just going to finish applying the lines to my cheeks, around my chin, and on my nose. Then I'm going to go in with my best friend, my beauty blender, and just blend, blend, blend. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my setting powder. The setting powder that I use is this Sacha Buttercup setting powder from Amazon, which was about $19. This is the most expensive product that I use today. And you just want to leave that on for a couple of minutes. You don't want to take it off too quick. So I'm going to go ahead and actually apply my eyelashes while I wait. Okay, so I think that was enough time. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take off my setting powder now. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of highlight to the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and a little bit on my cheeks. The highlight that I'm using is this little bright high eyeshadow from Wish, which is the same one that I use for my highlight in every video. Okay, so now I'm going to go on my NYX setting spray and set this look. I'm going to fan it out, and yeah, so. And ladies, this is the final look, so please like, share, and subscribe, and please leave comments. Thank you.